Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix contact names not showing on WhatsApp. So guys, if you are using WhatsApp and having this type of issue that only number showings, name not showings, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys from here you need to find apps management, and guys after this you need to click on app list, and guys search your WhatsApp, and guys after opening your WhatsApp simply you need to click on permissions, and guys from here you need to make sure that contacts are allowed. So guys if don't allow, then guys you need to make it allow, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys if still not fix your problem, then guys maybe there is update problem. Simply you need to open your Play Store, and guys here you need to search WhatsApp, and guys you need to update your app if not updated, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys if still not fix your problem, you need to click on settings again, scroll it below, click on app management, click on app list, and guys here you need to search WhatsApp again, click on storage and cache, and guys you need to clear cache, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.